morning and welcome back to the William fam. I would just like to come by and say thank you for everybody that has sent a donation to Miss Duvolle for her birthday and for all the birthday wishes. It was much appreciated. So I just want to thank you. And for those that have been asking if I have a Cash App, no, I don't have a Cash App, but the PayPal, the William family PayPal is in the description box below. So that's where you guys can find it as well. But thank you so much for all that has donated and for wishing her a happy birthday. It was a nice little celebration. It was a surprise because she wasn't expecting it, you know, with Corona, COVID, whatever you want to call her, that came in and roared her ugly head from last year till now, and she turned 16. She didn't get to have a 16th birthday, and even this was kind of like last minute because, you know, we're still in a pandemic, but we say at the end of the day you have one life to live, so we just wanted to do something for her, something quick and simple. And yeah, it was just nice, you know, all family fun. So but hopefully maybe next year, it was our big 18, it can be much better. But anyways guys, I'm just here currently, just got dressed, and me and hubby are heading into town. We are about to go get some stuff. Gotta go do a little bit of groceries, got a little bit of errand to take care of, and some other business that we have to take care of as well. So we're going to go and get that done. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and yeah, we'll see what is in store. I might not bring my big camera, so I might have to use either Mario's phone or bring the GoPro, because like I tell you, coming like these people afraid of camera. So I don't know what the point is, and the new law and government stuff that's coming in, there's gonna be cameras probably on every street. I don't know when it's gonna take place in Jamaica, but it's starting to happening overseas, and a lot of countries already have it and have face recognition. And when you go in the airport anyways, for everybody that has traveled, your face is in their database system. That's how they are catching so much people that are committing crimes nowadays. And if you have been to China and know about the Chinese system, every corner of China has a camera, and they have the face recognition and the heat recognition system. So all of that, it is coming. So you guys better prepare yourself. So whosoever don't want to be in front, be in camera, you pretty much won't even have a choice, because there's cameras around you that you don't even know that they're there with the way technology is going nowadays. But anyways, so I am dressed. I am just wearing some shorts and a nice silk black dress shirt, and I'm gonna have some of my black sandals on, and that is my outfit for the day. I gotta change the lighting on. Look at this one, get up and eating mango well early in the morning. Look at him, the full of him stomach. Where's mine? Eh? You say you're disgusting. Look by your mouth. You're coming like one pitney. Eh? I ate the mango so nasty, Mr. Williams. Oh, let me take you guys to go see the house upstairs before we go.
Oh, you go past.
Oh, me go past? Me don't know. You can't lift me up. Eh? Okay, let me see. We had to borrow the dogs them off, so we haven't worked on the house at all. We actually finally took a break, but Mario's been helping some others do some stuff. Let me see. So Mario put this for the dogs them not to get over, but they look like in block me out as well. Ow! This thing is hot. Mario. Oh God, I almost didn't make it over, guys.
Oh, you make it back over.
Eh? You fall it down. Okay. Oh. Ew, look at that lizard. Alright. Oh, it rained last night. Let me see if there's any water in the drum. Well, yes, I didn't catch a little bit of water, yes. All of it probably can add up to one whole drum. Or at least half. At least half. Okay. Alright, so we still end up having material leave. Mr. Williams is supposed to come up and pick up those bags and burn them, which he has not done as yet. Okay. we did try to bar off the dog, but as you see, the dog them come and they started pulling up everything out here. So see, so yes, so up here is finished and all the stuff them that are in. So we gotta see if we can get some blocks and start blocking up here. Maybe we will see. Or the person, I don't know if we're gonna have time to do it, or the person's gonna have to block it up. Okay, so there you guys see, and you see when you look down, that is a high drop. So this is what, the 3rd floor. On this side is the 3rd floor. It would consider the 3rd floor, but over there it's considered the 2nd floor because there's Cassie. Hey baby girl. Missy, one of them was biting the thing off the tire. the blue screw. Why me believe him make him do it? Me no run him. I forget which one it was. I think what. What you want me lick your dog for? You a buy back. So, and for those don't know, the reason why we put bamboo here instead of like the regular piece of ply or stuff like that is because they're gonna catch back the level of here to do the veranda to go across, right? So once the veranda is digged out and frame up, as you see, Mr. William hasn't done anything, so he's actually taking advice and taking a break. Look, their whole yard is weed up, but you see, and this is the thing, when you get that nice smooth, you can see like the dogs claws them up here because they came up here freshly after it was done. But at least it's done. And for here is because we're gonna go over, so he has to catch back the level as well, line it out and catch it back to go straight across. So, but there is you see there's the ply here where I'm standing, and that's because this is where the staircase is going, so that has to be straightened out. But it's a nice view up here. Oh, look how fast the corns are growing. We've got a whole cornfield, but it's gonna need to be weed out. Mr. Williams, yeah, come take me down. So, all right. Wait a minute if you put me up here. Oh Lord. Ooh. So because you know put me up here, you can't take me down. Come lift me down. Babes. What you mean you're there? Eh? So you know you right there, so don't play with me. Don't play with me. Come take me down now, babes. Me have to go finish put up the video for you upload. Oh yeah guys, so I'm uploading a video right now as well for you guys. It look like the dog them they try to get Ronnie. So you know come and take me down. Babes. Yeah, lift me down. Oh. So all along that was there you see your tongue bud? Eh? Oh gosh, you guys just see that? All along he could have taken me, he could have do that when I first went up there and he choose not to. Eh? Yeah, take me up there with you. Mario. Oh gosh. You see your love ramp? Eh?
You make it domino table wet up.
Who make the domino table wet up?
Your forehead.
You make me my forehead into a 6 head. Oh God. Leave it alone. It's huge. Oh God. Well, yes. Cover that bad boy. Look here. You see how long me sitting here? I am dressed, guys, and I'm waiting on this one to go and shower.
What do you call these ones?
This one. This one. If you ever don't let me in your underwear. You see your face? Hurry up and go shower, man. I've been waiting. I'm dressed. My hair is done. Makeup's done, and I'm ready to go. Not on me. Love you.
One time out of a year.
No, I know one time out of the year. No, you've gotten caught a few times down here, and people can vouch for me on that. Don't mind my dresser, guys. It's very messy. Guys, do you hear how disgusting this man is?
Mario, stop now!
Yeah? Now that he's finally ready, I've been ready for how long? He's ringing. Keep hitting the horn purposely. You say you're disgusting? Huh?
Stop being extra.
Alright, so we're finally ready to head out. Gonna go do some stuff. Alright. Bye, midnight. Oh, Lord. Alright. So, we are ready to take on the road. Walk.
Oh yes, please.
Alright, so ready to go, guys. You finally ready now, Mr. Williams?
Look how you play, you can't ask you.
Oh, that.
Mr. Cover like yesterday. Yesterday I can't come out. I'm going to try to play back out.
Well, you gotta go get the car cleaned up.
Definitely.
Where is that? Okay, so we're off.
Wait, tell her to bring it.
Oh my gosh, so this one talking and they give trouble. Mr. Williams, you're not putting on the seatbelt. See, look guys, Mario thumped me on my forehead. Look at, look for the big. Oh, Mario, that hurts.
So that me because
no, you thumped me on my forehead. Let me get a five head, not even my forehead me not have.
So
oh my gosh.
Hello,
how you do it? And you go squeeze it. Chow. You just get talking.
Me I get blame feet.
Eh?
No,
you thumped me night and done, you serious?
Don't video me.
I mean, don't video. Don't tell me that about don't video. Eh? Well, too late. Too big. Oh gosh. Wait. Somebody tell her one day if you give me my list and she don't give me my list. But I good thing me have it on the phone. No, Mr. Sir.
What list?
The list of stuff I need. So.
For what?
For what? You just keep talking.
Stuff where you need.
Time I drive by, I forgot to show you guys. Look at this house. This house here is made out of what, dirt? One day I forgot to try and go up there to show you guys, and somebody actually lives in it. They say he's not too righted, but that's his house. He literally built it out of. So that's the other one that he built first. There's no windows. Alright guys, so we just got down. I am here currently waiting on Mr. Williams. So he just ran into the store, so I am waiting on him. So I'm just sitting here in the car under some ice. Didn't take us long to reach down. I reached down real fast this time. A little bit of traffic, but not too much. Gosh guys, this thing in my center of my forehead is driving me crazy. Oh, of all times, gotta rear its ugly head, but that's alright. I just gotta do what I'm doing. So yeah, we've made it into town. I think I gotta go head in Progressive. Gotta go get a little bit of stuff in there, and then we're heading like into town. So we're gonna probably do that first, and then we head where we are going. But I think I wanna play some tunes. Yes. Oh, I love this song, guys. It's around me. Alright, so I'm gonna listen to a little bit of sounds until he comes. So we stopped. I got myself, I love this big what? Big Joe? How you say the name? I love my box Joe's. Yeah, the pineapple, one of my favorite ones to get. And we got some patty, some beef patty, cheese patty. Yeah, of course, and we got some soup. So this is what we're having for our breakfast. He actually gave that breakfast this morning. So I'm going to go eat, and then we gotta go head into the store. That looks so good, guys. I love me some soup. Soup, I love soup. That's one of my all-time thing to drink. I gotta tell you guys a story time about what happened to me one day. I bought some soup from somebody. Well, I didn't know who cooked it, and my tell said the soup run me gut. I mean the soup run my stomach, me almost do up a run. Mario had to leave wherever we were to bring me home. That's how bad it was. Let me tell you, so like my stomach was just killing me. I don't care how much salt and whatever you had. Tell you, it didn't mash me up wicked. It mashed me up wicked. That nice, eh? The Jag? It mashed me up wicked, guys. I never had that experience before. But if it had to be, I said to Maria, I wonder if anything would have happened on me. You know, me couldn't hold it, me couldn't reach me go, and you know how much people was at the event that we were at? Girl, I would have to take a bush. Me a firing about me would have take a bush. Me no business. Would I got somebody back a bush for go use the bathroom, because there's no way I'm letting myself, you know, go out like that and not something there. I would have go take a bush to go do what I have to do. But it was a good thing I was home. Mario bring me home and then went back to the event. It was really bad. Like, I was just...
Why this guy just stick up on me, so?
Maybe you want to be really close. Hey, he looks familiar. Down here busy on a different hole. Man, I love my sweet Jamaica. Boy, I tell you, I just love the lifestyle. The lifestyle, there's nothing beat it. You can't go find and see them mess up me here. I just love it. It just bring a different vibes, you know? Like the island, you can always... Ooh, I like those shoes. You can always find, you know, just different. And I said, they don't have no clothes. Oh, babe, I like that dress there. I like that dress. Come, we need to come out of the car. Huh? Babes! My sugar plum. My honey plum. Sweetie pie. My nearly game. Oh gosh. So we're trying to find a parking spot so we can get out. Hubby has to go find himself a fit. Yeah. So gonna go see if we can get that done before we even... I mean, just see that guy there at the other place. You look so. Yeah, pretty. Ladies, we are better than diamond. We're better than gold. There's nothing comparing to us. We're better than platinum. We are above
Really? What's up? What you say?
So I don't want to say, ladies, no better than we. Don't pay about food.
What do you mean you feel food? Of course, we remember now. We are the sole breadwinner in that sense that we bring life.
No go so no swallow bread.
Hello,
No,
if it wasn't for you, I would not carry pitney for 9 months. Oh gosh, let me get out of the car. Mr. William. So how he parked the car and turn off the car? The man parked the car and left the key in the car. Oh, he has to go pay for the parking. I totally forgot. Guys, I got a new hat. The sun was doing me wicked. So I literally had to switch up and get myself a hat. Oh Lord, yeah, so we didn't even get to vlog that much because between Mr. Williams trying on some stuff and stuff like that, we didn't get to vlog too much. And them never know when them hear that noise to put them seatbelt on. But it is hot, so Mr. Williams put on the AC. Leaving the town. Give you guys a little bit of a view. I don't even know what street this is. What street is this, babe?
Strand Street.
Strand Street. Oh. Strand.
There used to be a theater there.
Oh, it used to be a movie theater there? Probably like what? Ancient years. Okay. So they walk with not a care in the world. Oh, no. And this over here is arcade. They call it arcade.
Arcade.
Oh, arcade. We end up back right at courts. So, yes guys, we just not too long reach home. The kids them, oh the lighting, the kids them are cooking dinner. I am trying to upload this vlog. I've been uploading it from morning. It's only at 45% and it's supposed to be released today. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna get it today or the next day, but it most probably would like be the next day. But if it upload in time, I will release it tonight. But if not, you guys are just going to get it tomorrow. I am sorry, just it's been a hectic day and we didn't even vlog that much because it's just been busy on the road, and downtown is hectic. But it was just nice to get out. Can never complain. It's nice to get out. It's hectic, but yeah, so we're just here and I'm just going to relax for a little bit and then I'm going to go take a shower. And I don't think we're doing anything for the day. Not sure what Mr. Williams up to, but I think we're just having a chill evening. Yeah, I think the evening's just going to be chill vibes, nothing too crazy. Oh, I have another video that I need to edit for my other channel, so and that's it. And if I don't come back, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to be notified every time we upload a video. So don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want